Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will unbox and review these new pair of earbuds sent to me by a company called Mobvoi. Hopefully I am pronouncing it right. They also call the TicPods, and this is the ANC version of the TicPods. In other words, active noise cancellation, as it says on the box. They also have a 13mm hi-fi speaker, so that should give us some really good crispy bassy sound. They also have the very latest Bluetooth 5.0, which is again fantastic. Looking around the box here, all the regular stuff, guys. Please pause the video and have a look and see all the features that these pair of earbuds have. Also at the back, lots of information like quiet mode, noise cancellation. They got a total of 5 hours of audio playback and full touch controls as well, which we will review in just a moment. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly open the box up. And the sound of unboxing, there we go. Here we go, ta-ra! So we have now unboxed the Mobvoi or the TicPods. Off comes the wrap. This is the case itself. Opening the case up, and these are your earbuds. So let's remove them both from the case and have a look and see what do we had at inside the case. Got some information regarding charging and everything else, guys, so do please pause the video should you wish to look and check these details, including the battery capacity and charging case timings and everything else. Okay, so these are the actual pods themselves. Now let's put the case away. They look quite nice, and they also match the Apple's AirPods, of course. That's a design which everybody seems to be copying these days. However, they are obviously the TicPods, and it's all about the performance here and how easy and comfortable they are for you to wear. So we will review them, like I said, in just a moment. Let's put them away so you can also look at them at the same time and see what else do we get in the box. Okay, so we have the manual, it seems. So let's get the manual out. The manual should be inside in here somewhere. Type-C USB cable, which is great because the case itself has a Type-C charging port, which is fantastic. You also get the manual and everything else, the quick guide, the stickers and everything else, tick watch. They also do a tick watch as well, which I hope I will get a review unit at some point in the coming months. And everything else, like I said, the manual and the quick guide, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so looking further into this, so we also get an extra pair of earbuds, which you can also use should you wish to. So once you hold the case in your hand, it's quite easy and light in your hands. You can open it with one hand very easily and also close it with one hand. At the bottom, you've got the Type-C USB charging port along with this light, which is showing green. That means it'll be charging your earbuds whilst they're placed inside the case. So open the case up and let's get them out and see how they look like. So design wise, they're quite nice. As you can tell, they got this noise cancellation mic here on top. Also, there's a mic on the left hand side of this one as well. Bringing this close, and you can see it also says here the right earbud. So the right and left earbud both have this engraved, which is quite nice and handy in case should you forget. I've been using them for the past few days, and for the price, to be honest, I think value for money is fantastic in these pieces of earbuds. They have great noise cancellation, also have a great performance. They fit quite easily in my ears, and even after having them on for a few hours, I never felt no discomfort. Getting them in and out of the ear was also relatively easy, and the earbuds never caused me any irritation whatsoever. Connecting them with my Sony Xperia 5 wasn't a problem at all and was a very simple, smooth process. Getting into Bluetooth settings and scanning for the new earbuds, and voila, they were there and connected within a few seconds. You simply cannot ask for anything easier than that, to be honest. I also own a pair of Samsung Galaxy Buds. Comparing the TicPods with my Galaxy Buds, and the difference in the feel was quite obvious. Whilst Galaxy Buds are slightly well made in terms of quality, the TicPods felt more natural to me as I could easily open them with one hand. Another reason could quite possibly be the long extended bottom arms, which played its part, but they generally felt better and were easier to put in without accidentally touching the outside of the buds, which to be honest was often the case with the Galaxy Buds, resulting in undesired outcomes. Changing tracks was easier as well, and instructions on the manual were quite easy and straightforward. Double tapping on either side would play or stop the music, and whilst in a call, a similar action would result in picking the call up. Google Assistant could also be triggered by triple tapping. However, I found it slightly annoying, but nevertheless working and functional. Performance was great, sound was punchy with a lot of bass, and vocals were quite clear. Value for money, and retailing only at around £50, they are hard to beat, and a very few earbuds can match the quality at this price point. The ability to reconnect was one of my favorite features. You could literally reconnect the earbuds with the last connected device just by opening the case up, which I'm sure a lot of people will find very handy. It's simply the ease of use and the convenience at this price point which puts a smile on your face. I was able to achieve around 4.5 to 5 hours per charge, and with average use, they easily lasted me for a week without the need to recharge them again. Most people will be quite happy with that kind of performance. I also very much enjoyed the sound pass-through mode, which can be activated by pressing and holding either side of the two earbuds for a couple of seconds. It's amazing how I was able to talk to my family without the need to take them off whilst on sound pass-through mode. On top of all that, the buds are IPX5 rated, meaning going out for a walk whilst raining shouldn't be much of a problem. Due to their size and slickness, I was also easily able to put them in my jeans pocket. Again, a lot of people will find this quite handy and convenient for day-to-day use. All in all, I quite like the TicPods ANC, and they simply can't be beaten for value here. Great noise cancellation, good battery life, stable smooth performance, and Type-C USB charging port are all the reasons I can easily recommend them to you, and you certainly won't be disappointed with the quality on offer. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. I shall see you in the next video.